Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. You guys, I'm really excited to be making this video today. I have missed you all so much. I haven't been able to make videos for some time now because I've been super busy, but I'm here now and we're going to be doing something new today, something I haven't done before in this channel, which is product review. We're adding reviews to our resume. Remember, I always say we do a little bit of everything in this channel. You guys, today we'll be doing a product review. I'm going to review this favorite soap of mine. It's called charcoal bamboo soap. First of all, you guys know that I'm all about DIYs, but one thing that I've noticed is that so many people don't have time to make these skincare products themselves. Most of them, they inbox me and ask me if I sell the products, and I'm like, no, you're meant to make it yourself. You guys, people will give you a million reasons why they can't make these skincare products. It's either it's their job or their kids, or they're just not about it. So if you're in this category, don't worry, I got you. I take it as my duty now to bring you these products that will make your skin smooth, soft, you know, make your skin glow. So if you are watching this now and you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider joining the family. It's really a place to be. Go ahead now, click the subscribe button below, turn your notification on, because that's the only way you will know when I upload new videos. And please like and share the video too. Alright, stay tuned. You're welcome back. My name is Vera, and today we're going to be talking about my favorite soap. It's called bamboo charcoal soap. You guys, I call it small but mighty. It's very good. Trust me, it's very good. The benefits are too much, which I'm going to get into in a bit. But first, I want you to know that I've used this soap. Like, I use it every day. That's how I know that it's so good. There's so many black soaps. There's African black soap, charcoal, bamboo, like so many of them. As long as the color is dark, it's black soap. But how can you know the one that truly works? We'll talk about that later. So while we're talking, on the screen right now, you're going to see the link to the website where you can buy this particular soap if you are interested. Yeah, and I'm going to also leave the link in my description box so that when you click on it, it will automatically direct you to the website. Okay, so now to the benefits of the soap. Bamboo charcoal soap is very absorbent and cleans the skin amazingly. It absorbs minerals, toxins, impurities from your skin, leaving it clean and clear. The friendly bamboo charcoal kills bacteria and allows the body's natural moisturizer to work effectively. I'm telling you, you will love the way your skin feels after using this soap. If you have blackheads, pimples, mild acne, etc., this soap is for you. Trust me. Even if your acne is severe, it's going to clear it, but you just have to be consistent and patient. The time it takes to clear a mild pimple won't be the same as the severe one. You already know that. You have to be consistent. Use it to wash your face morning and night. You can use it all over your body or wherever that you have blemishes you want to clear. I mostly use it on my face because I have a whipped soap that I use on my body. So it's up to you. How you're going to use it is in the morning when you wake up, or at night before you shower, like 5 minutes before you shower. Just get the soap, put it in the water and make a foam. And let me tell you, a little bit of it goes a long way, so you don't even need to like do much of it, just a little. and then massage your face with it for maybe like 2 minutes, and then leave it. When you're ready to shower, just go in and, you know, wash everything off. Like I said, morning and night. Okay, try and be consistent. You're going to thank me 1,000 times because your skin is going to love you more. The link I'm going to leave below in my description box. Just click on it and feel free to shop every other product that you see there. Trust me, they are all quality and affordable. Okay, you guys, I really enjoyed today's video, and we're going to be doing more of reviews in this channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button now. Okay, just subscribe, like, and share the video. What again? Oh, before I forget, there's no way to know the original if you have not tried it. And why I'm recommending this is because I use it, so I know for sure that this is the real deal. Okay, so thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Thank you for all of the love and support that I've gotten from you guys. Take care of you, show more kindness wherever you are, and I'll see you guys soon.